Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this easy and practical tutorial, we will learn how to insert currency sign symbol in Microsoft Word quickly and professionally. Whether you are need dollar sign, euro sign, pound sign, INR or Taka or other international currency symbol, this guide will help you add them easily for financial documents, invoices, reports and assignments. In this video, we will discover multiple simple methods like simple symbol menu, keyboard shortcuts and alt code to insert currency sign efficiently. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now we can see here assignment. Now I want to add a sign symbol to my document. Go to the last of this document or the last. Then go to the insert menu. Click the symbol option. Then go to more symbol. Now you can see here many symbol. Here the pound sign. Now I am insert it. Then here the euro sign. Here the yen and more than sign here. You can add any dollar symbol sign etc. Now we can see we insert the sign easily. Here the dollar sign. Then close this. Now I am select the sign, go back the home menu and increase the size. This is a text, not any other format. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.